Welcome back to The Quiet Voice. I'm Dusty, and this is week 4, the final week of our 30-day mindfulness journey. Over the past 3 weeks, we've explored the foundations of mindfulness, established mindful routines, and delved into mindful productivity. This week, we're going to bring it all together and focus on integration and connection. Let's start by reviewing our journey so far. In week 1, we laid the foundation with mindful breathing, body scan meditation, and integrating mindfulness into daily activities. In week 2, we developed mindful morning and evening routines to bookend our days with calm and intention. Last week, in week 3, we learned how to stay focused and productive while maintaining inner peace through mindful productivity. Each of these practices has helped us build a strong foundation for a more mindful life. Now it's time to integrate these practices into every aspect of your life. The goal is to make mindfulness not just something you do, but something you live. Whether you're at work, at home, or out in the world, mindfulness can help you navigate life's challenges with clarity, calm, and compassion. Maintaining a regular mindfulness practice. One of the biggest challenges many people face is maintaining a regular mindfulness practice, especially as life becomes busier. It's easy to let your practice slip when things get hectic, but remember, mindfulness is most beneficial when life is at its most challenging. Here are some strategies to help you maintain your practice. Start small and stay consistent. It's better to meditate for a few minutes each day than to have long sessions occasionally. Consistency is key. Even if it's just 5 minutes of mindful breathing in the morning, that regular practice will make a difference over time. You might think that such a small amount of time won't have much impact, but in reality, the cumulative effect of daily practice can be profound. Over weeks and months, those few minutes will add up, creating a lasting change in how you respond to stress and how you interact with the world. Use everyday moments as reminders. Life offers countless opportunities to practice mindfulness. Use daily activities like brushing your teeth, drinking coffee, or waiting in line as opportunities to practice mindfulness. These small moments of awareness can add up and help you stay present throughout the day. For example, while brushing your teeth, focus on the sensations in your mouth, the sound of the bristles, and the taste of the toothpaste. This simple act of bringing your full attention to the present moment can help anchor your day in mindfulness. Stay mindful during challenging situations. When you find yourself in a stressful situation, take a moment to pause, breathe, and observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This simple act can help you respond to challenges with more clarity and calm. Imagine you're in a tense meeting at work or dealing with a difficult conversation at home. By taking just a few moments to breathe and center yourself, you can shift from a reactive state to a more thoughtful and intentional response. Create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with reminders of your mindfulness practice. This could be a special cushion where you meditate, a note on your mirror reminding you to take a deep breath, or even an app on your phone that sends you mindfulness reminders throughout the day. Having these physical and digital cues can help keep mindfulness at the forefront of your mind, making it easier to integrate into your daily life. Mindful communication, deepening your connections. One of the most powerful ways to integrate mindfulness into your life is through your interactions with others. Mindful communication involves being fully present during conversations, listening without interrupting, and speaking with intention. This can lead to deeper connections and more meaningful relationships. Why is mindful communication important? In our fast-paced world, communication often becomes a task to be completed rather than an opportunity to connect. We're so focused on getting our point across or responding quickly that we forget to really listen to the other person. Mindful communication shifts this dynamic, encouraging us to slow down, be present, and engage with others on a deeper level. Here are a few techniques to enhance your communication. Practice mindful listening. When someone is speaking to you, give them your full attention. Listen not just to their words, but to the emotions and intentions behind them. Avoid thinking about your response while they're talking. Just listen. This kind of deep listening can transform your interactions. The person you're speaking with will feel heard and understood, which can strengthen your relationship and build trust. Speak with intention. Before you speak, take a moment to consider your words. Are they kind, necessary, and true? Speaking mindfully can help reduce misunderstandings and build stronger connections. When we speak with intention, our words carry more weight. We're not just filling space or responding out of habit. We're choosing our words carefully to communicate more effectively and compassionately. Practice empathy and compassion. Try to see things from the other person's perspective. Practice empathy by acknowledging their feelings and experiences, even if they differ from your own. Compassionate communication can create a more supportive and understanding environment. By practicing empathy, you can foster deeper connections and help create a more harmonious environment, whether at home, at work, or in your community. Guided meditation, compassion, and connection. Let's try a quick guided meditation focused on compassion and connection. Find a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, focusing on your heart center. Hold for a count of 3. Exhale slowly, imagining a warm, compassionate light radiating from your heart. Now bring to mind someone you care about. It could be a friend, family member, or colleague. Picture them in your mind and silently send them thoughts of kindness and well-being. Imagine them receiving this warmth and feeling comforted by it. Next, extend that same compassion to yourself. Silently repeat the phrases, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be at peace. Allow these words to sink in, nurturing a deep sense of self-compassion. Finally, imagine that warm, compassionate light expanding outward to include all beings. Picture it spreading from your heart, out to your community, and then to the entire world. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry that sense of connection with you throughout your day. Your final challenges for week 4. As we bring this journey to a close, it's important to remember that mindfulness is a lifelong practice. It's not about being perfect or reaching a certain level. It's about being present and kind to yourself and others. The journey you've started over these 30 days is just the beginning. Here are your final challenges for this week. Continue your daily mindfulness practices. Even if it's just a few minutes a day, keep that consistency. Whether it's mindful breathing, a body scan, or mindful moments in daily life, these practices will continue to support you as you navigate life's ups and downs. Practice mindful communication. In your interactions this week, focus on listening more deeply and speaking with intention. Notice how these practices affect your relationships and your own sense of connection. Extend your mindfulness practice to others. Introduce mindfulness to your family, friends, or workplace by sharing what you've learned. You might invite a friend to join you in meditation or start a mindfulness group at work. Sharing mindfulness can deepen your own practice and help create a more mindful community around you. Practice compassion and kindness, both to yourself and others. Use the guided meditation we just did whenever you need to reconnect with that sense of warmth and care. Remember, self-compassion is just as important as compassion for others. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a loved one. Wrapping up the journey. Now, as we wrap up this 30-day journey, I want to remind you that mindfulness is a lifelong practice. It's not about reaching a final destination, but about continuing to grow, learn, and deepen your awareness. You've built a strong foundation over these 4 weeks, and now it's up to you to continue this journey. Mindfulness can support you in countless ways, from reducing stress and increasing focus to deepening your relationships and enhancing your overall well-being. The key is to keep practicing, even when it's challenging. Over time, mindfulness can become a natural part of your life, guiding you through whatever comes your way. Thank you for joining me on this path to mindfulness. I hope these practices have brought you some peace, clarity, and connection. Please share your experiences and any insights you've gained in the comments below. Your journey can inspire and support others who are on the same path. This is Dusty from The Quiet Voice, wishing you a mindful and connected life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future content. Take care, stay present, and be kind to yourself and others. Good night.